We bought a house!
Perucci gang, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Operation Restoration. This is season 2. We just bought an 100-year-old house. Let's get started.
There was a chimney, but it wasn't a fireplace. It was a wood burning stove.
And that's why the walls was all bowed.
Yeah.
I told you there was a reason.
So we pulled this out, rolled it out kinda, and I was like, yeah, maybe someone will buy it for 10 bucks. But inside of there's so much rust. You can hear that. Isn't that nasty? Then when I opened the drain, it was just rusty water.
Ew. I think we should just send it with the guy who's willing to take stuff for free scrap metal.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so yellow in here.
Yeah. It's kind of like we're in SpongeBob's house.
Ooh. Hey!
We're installing a keypad. So anyone that needs to come into the house, any contractor can get in.
Isn't it fun? You're not angry enough.
Is that angry enough for you? What the fuck was that?
That was the glass on the light fixture. It shattered. What are you doing?
This is gonna be the new entrance to the front bathroom, the guest bathroom. Pull out the shelves.
You can do better than that!
Oh god.
Oh shit.
Swinging left. The new bathroom entrance. So, there's a bigger door there. Oh my goodness! Yeah.
It's like a loose tooth. You just like gotta keep wiggling it. You're making it look easy.
We're in a pickle. It's stripped.
Don't leave me.
It was already like that, look at me. We tried ripping it, but it's just gonna break the cabinet. Come on.
What?
You can't use the word.
Sawzall?
No, you can't use the word on YouTube.
Coronavirus?
No, I think whoever said Sawzall, that's a good idea.
Yeah, where's that? Yeah, I mean, you'll just go into some.
Rochelle for the win.
And he was going like this with like a power tool that cuts things. Sawzall.
sucker for a happy ending.
Taking a water break.
That's not water.
Work smarter, not harder.
Can you help me?
Help you do what?
Get the knot out of my shoelace.
Ha ha ha. I see. A knot of wood. I was like, what are you asking me to do here?
Foundation, baby, I know any storm we're facing will blow right over while we stay put. The house don't fall when the bones are good.